Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Steam Tools purchase license error. If you've stumbled upon this error, no worries, you've found and stumbled on the correct video. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, this will help me a lot. So, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your desktop. By the way, you have a few ways on how to go to the file location of your Steam, but the best way to do this is my way. So go ahead and go to your desktop, right click on your Steam right over here, and then click on Open File Location. Once you're in this folder, go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says xinput1_4. Go ahead and right click, rename it, and then put DWP API. Go ahead and press enter. Once done, go back to your Steam, exit out, and also on the tray over here, go ahead and click on it, right click on your Steam, and exit Steam. Once it exit, go ahead and relaunch your Steam right over here. And no worries, 100% this will be fixed. But if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.